Sanibona guys, ngicela ukunixoxela ngestory sokuthi how MTN uskeme u2000 namaningi. Okay. Indaba leyo ukuthi manje ngikwazi ukuxoxa kahle ngifuna ukuhambisa kahle ngama details. Nizoyithathelana nithi scam lesi noma yini. Okay, bengine contract no MTN kusukela ema-data. So 2019 bephela mhlawumbe after 2 years ngiphinde ngivuselele because leyo gcina bengina ngo 36 months beke yokugcina besuke yesithathu. Okay fine. Every time mangiphelele icontract MTN bengivuselela, yabo. Bengivana ngi-upgrade because behlezi kunama offers better kunalayo benginayo eqaleni. I don't know if it makes sense. Okay, this time icontract yami biphela ngo November losuka kuwona ngo December. Okay fine. Ilontuze iphela contract yami suka lapho belokhu bengifonela how you are we loyal customer, we hate to see you leave wara much at no angithatha noma le contract no MTN aningikhancelele I contract. Yes, ngoba ngicabe ngikhancelele I contract ngicela ngikhancelele I contract. Okay, abantu abalokhu bethi bezongi-upgrade ngithi angifune upgrade ngicela nikhansele ngoba khona indlela bese ngizokwenza ngayo ngendaba zama data bengingasayidingi contract ka MTN. Okay, kuthi kusuka icontract yami bibamba ngomhla ka2 njalo mhla ka2 yabamba imali mhla ka2 December ngibanjelwe u2000 namanikiniki ebank ngiphapha ebusuku vumbu yazi ngapha ngo4 yabo nje ngithekha ifoni sesikhatsini mangithi lapha mangisebenze ngivuka ngo6 but ngalasuku ngahlala kwazo kashaya ukhaso sengimsebenzini ngiphapha ngo4 ngine stress ngayiribasa le mali yabuya ngiqonda MTN bathi bevula ngase ngikada ngabachazela ukuthi kwenze kanje yangitshela usisi ukuthi kusho contract yami bayithene 2 month and manje sebengibamba u2000 uma sekuyimonth to month akuse 300 lobe ngikhokha enye into ebalekile ukuthi ufune nazi ucontract yami mina bengikhokha 300 rand ngithola ama data u300 gigs wama data uma isishintsha ke siza lento bayenzayo isiwu 2000 angazi nemalini ngicheck u2000 namaningi code athi ngifonele ka MTN ka cancellation. Yes, ngifone ka MTN ngifoneke umfana sikhulume athi umfana into eyinkinga uzongikhancelela le contract yami shoze bangikhancelelanga noma isiphelile ofuthi mina bengazi ukuthi well ngasho kodwa umuntu oyangifonelile ukuthi ngicela icancel angisayidingi contract ngazi mse contract mina bengazi ukuthi icontract uma isiphelile like there's no need for me ukuthi ngihambe ngesitolo ngiyokhansela uyabo ngoba vele isiphelile. Okay, nakho ke ngikhuluma nomfana efonini athi umfana yazayindele video ngikhansela lo mfana lo ngikhuluma nalo mfana efonini athi lo mfana mengikhanselela it's gonna take 30 days notice ukuze ikhanseleke icontract isiphelile yami usu30 days ukuthi ikhanseleke. Athi ke u2000 lo bawubambile bazophinde bewubambe nangomhla ka2 January ngoba izobe ungakapheli 30 days wami ukukhansela. Okay, athi umfana kumina ioption anginikeza yona ukuthi ngithatha enye contract month to month okusho ukuthi ngingayikhansela noma nini lo contract leyo uma sengifuna ukuyikhansela. Athi uzongenza contract ka 200 rand u50 gigs uvele akukho enough 50 gigs kodwa nguthathe ngoba sengenza umhla ka2 kubanjwe lo 50 gigs lo mhla ka2 January kunokuthi kubanjwe lo 2000 angisena choice at this point. Athi umfana kumina ngithi lo 2000 lo ngirevosile kuzokwenzakalani ngawo. Athi umfana no it's fine. I said no it's fine ngiyusabanje ngoba sengi-upgrade le contract yakho. Cool. Tell me why Tang if not yesterday isivalue contract yami ivalue isim card yami ngifonela MTN kwenzakalani bathi ivalue ngoba ngiyakweleta areas ngithi kanjani bathi ngikweleta lo 2000 lo uthi ke lo sesile basechaza lo mfana uyi-upgrade le contract yami impela wenza le ka 200 but uyenze sekuvela umhla ka2 lokubanjwa ngayo imali usushayile ofuthi ufuna ngikhokhe lo 2000 lo ukuze ngikwazi ukuqhubeka ngisebenzise uMTN uma seke ngikhokha lo 200 ifune ngikhokhe ebomfana msesivumelene ngawe ngizokhokha ngoJanuary 2 bengawudoje uMTN ngoba uyangicasula but ngoba senginalo month to month contract okufuneka ngikhansele emva kokuthi le contract lesi ikhanselekile sekufuneka ngikhokhele imali le ngoba ngingisakwazi ukukhansela kwawona uma ngima areas uzobamba ngomhla ka-2 January i-sim card yami ivaliwe ubambele ama-data angangeni ngakwazi ukwasebenzisa njengoba namanje nje nginama-data angazi ukuthi mangana ama-data enginawo but njengamanje i-contract ivaliwe obuhlungu lekho konke ukuthi anginawo kawona lo 2000 abawufunayo namanikiniki ingozi kaDisemba nje ile awareness to anyone on a contract no MTN noma nabanye abantu namanye ama networks but nje masa kuphela icontract yakho hamba uyikhansela ngoba uma ungakayikhansela ade ngikhokha 300 rand sengimanje lo 2000 namanikiniki.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. Nangisizwe video lapha na ku TikTok le trenda kakhulu u-expose i-MTN ngokuthi baka MTN ubamqolile Simvila sichaza story sakhe guys. It seems like it's a thing ukuthi baka MTN baqole ama customers abo because what the hell like bayathanda ukuqolana especially if mhlawumbe ucancela something yabo maybe their contracts or anything nje ujikisa something about say phone because ayikho right or they always do that or batokuqola like it's a thing sive kakhulu abantu bakhala ngabo lapha enkundleni yokuxhumana ukuthi babaqolile nami also experienced into lefana naleyo kwa MTN bakile nami obanqola 500 wami balukupasa batong refund till today or it's been almost 4 months still ngilinze refund or mawuthi uyabakutshela ukuthi oh no space ngayo oh no space ngayo oh no besithi bakurefundile MTN oh uyaqolana and be careful nje mina ufuna ukuthatha ama contracts or anything oh ungayika MTN because udokhala. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.